river will whisper slow and deep. The valleys wide where shadows sleep. A gentle hum the earth does sing, a lullaby on silken wing. The stars, they blink in velvet skies, a quiet glow, no need for ties. Soft breaths of air, the world unwinds, the stillness wraps our hearts aligned. Let the waters flow, let the breezes sigh, feel the stillness grow under moonlit sky. Drift on waves of calm, let the moment stay. Find your inner balm, let it guide your way. A meadow waits in twilight's glow, each blade of grass bends soft and low. The echo in the light, exhale the night, the pulse of peace, a soft delight. No need for words, no need for sound, just float away where dreams are found. Let the waters flow, let the breezes sigh, feel the stillness grow under moonlit sky. Drift on waves of calm, let the moment stay. Find your inner balm, let it guide your way.
Gentle waves caress the shore, whisper soft forevermore. A breeze that hums a quiet tune beneath the watchful silver moon. The stars above in still embrace, their glow a map through time and space. Flowing waters hum so clear, a melody for hearts to hear. Close your eyes, let stillness bloom. A quiet heart dissolves the gloom, floating softly in the stream. A boundless calm, a gentle dream. The forest breathes in time so slow, its whispers in the river's flow. Each leaf a note in nature's song, a place where all belong. Time stands still, the world takes pause. Peaceful echoes without cause. Feel the earth beneath your feet. In this moment, life's